It's both beautiful and bittersweet. The majesty of the forest, the skill of these men, but also a sense of loss. This giant has stood for centuries, a silent witness to history. Yet that's the cycle of life. The Woody H60 harvester head is more than just a machine. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our deep connection to the natural world. It allows us to harvest the resources we need while minimizing our impact on the environment. It's a symbol of sustainable progress, a reminder that we can achieve great things when we work in harmony with nature. Picture this, a colossal TT4, muscles rippling, straining against the chains as it drags a timber truck through a mud pit that looks like something out of a prehistoric swamp. It's a battle of epic proportions. Mud flies, engines roar, and the tension is palpable. In the end, nature claims a small victory, but the TT4's spirit remains unbroken. What a story to tell around the campfire tonight. Well, looks like we've got a game changer on our hands. I always thought massive logs were destined for the sawmill, but this fella and his Holzforma G888 are proving me wrong. Turning a behemoth oak into planks like it's child's play. 8.7 horsepower and a mere 11.6 kilo? That's a power-to-weight ratio that screams portable sawmill. This bad boy isn't just a chainsaw, it's a lumberjack's dream come true. This ain't the first time I've seen a tree with a few surprises up its sleeve. This fella was chopping down an old birch when he hit something that snapped his chain. Let's have a gander at what it was. Would you look at that? A steel fence post right through the heart of the tree. Mother Nature sure knows how to throw a curveball sometimes. Whoa! The whole tree harvester is like something out of a sci-fi movie. It cuts down trees insanely fast, like one every second or two. And it can haul a massive amount of wood, like 1,000 tons an hour. This thing is seriously changing the game in forestry. Timber Titans, assemble! The Logset 5FGT forwarder and Macera 71 crane are ready to revolutionize your logging operation. Imagine effortlessly lifting and transporting massive logs with the crane's extended reach, all while enjoying the comfort and visibility of the spacious cabin. Fuel efficiency? Check. Operator satisfaction? Absolutely. Let's get those logs moving. That was a close call. If that chain hadn't snapped, that LKT-81 turbo would be on its side right now. Remember folks, even when you think you've got a log under control, it can still surprise you. Stay sharp, stay safe, and always respect the power of nature. Ever wondered how a sawmill works its magic? The LT40 sawmill invites you to experience the transformation firsthand. Watch as rough logs become smooth planks ready for your next project. It's a fascinating process, and the LT40 makes it accessible to everyone. Dive in and discover the joy of woodworking. Who needs machines when you've got a dedicated crew and a whole lot of determination? Of course, a trusty rope is always a lifesaver.
The rope. It's still not right.
Phew, thank goodness everyone's okay. That was a close call. Hold on to your hard hats, folks, because this cedar is a behemoth. They lucked out with this one being hollow. It made the felling a whole lot easier. But don't let that fool you. It still put up a fight, trying to pinch in the undercut. Had to get creative with a double window to sever all those stubborn holding fibers. Feast your eyes, folks. This is a YouTube felling you won't soon forget. Guess where we are? Prince George, BC, the heart of Canada's forestry industry. Get ready to be amazed by endless forests of lodgepole pines. Did you know they log here all year round? And the technology they use is out of this world. We're talking massive harvesters that make quick work of these giants. It's awe-inspiring to witness the power of nature and human innovation side by side. Wow, this guy built his own walk-behind tractor. How cool is that? It's basically a small engine attached to a metal frame with wheels and pulleys, and it can pull huge logs out of the woods. It's perfect for tight spaces, and it's super cheap to build. I bet he could even add a seat to it. Even if it's not super comfy, it's still way better than walking. This lumberjack is a true virtuoso. He wields that Husqvarna 572 XP with the precision of a surgeon and the confidence of a seasoned veteran. It's mesmerizing to watch him work, a testament to years of dedication and a deep respect for his craft. He's not just cutting wood, he's doing something beautiful.